going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today's a good day because I got a package. I love getting packages, and it actually came earlier than what I was expecting, so it's like double good. Now, as you can see from the box and maybe the description, it's from Adams, and this contains everything that I need to ceramic coat my car. Now, this is something I've wanted to do for a while because I'm OCD, and this car being dirty is just something I can't handle, but I really can't wash it like as often as I need to wash it, you know, to keep it clean every single day. And so this was, I went back and forth between a wrap or a ceramic coat, and I landed on a ceramic coat. Really, it boiled down to like one major reason, and I bought this car for the red. So I'm like, why would I cover that in anything else? And so it didn't make sense to me to wrap it. You know, if I was gonna wrap it, I'd wrap it in red, which is stupid because it is red. So for me, I thought a ceramic coat would be a nice a way to keep it clean, to show the paint off, you know, and kind of maintain that look that I was going for when I bought the car. It's gonna be a mini series about ceramic coating your car, right? So if you go get your car ceramic coated somewhere, it's expensive, $1,500, $2,000. I mean, it's a lot of money. More than I'd be willing to pay for something like that. And they make kits out there, and I think this is gonna be it's a big project. It's gonna be a full weekend. And I want this to be mainly about, can someone with no paint experience, you know, someone that hasn't done this before, but is competent in doing work, can you ceramic coat your car for, you know, under $200? Like, can you save thousands, not thousands, but, you know, potentially $1,000, you know, $1,500 by buying the kit and buying everything that you need and doing it yourself? Is that something that can be done? Am I gonna ruin my car? I don't know. Am I gonna save a bunch of money? Is it gonna turn out awesome? That's what I'm hoping for, and I think that's what's gonna happen. So I've done my research. I'm gonna detail every step that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open up this box here in a little bit, show you everything I got, but I believe I have everything. I didn't just order the ceramic coat kit, I got everything that I need. And I'm gonna plan on doing this over a weekend. I'm gonna get off work on Friday, start it that evening, work all through Friday night, hopefully get the first coat on, and then you know, it's gotta sit for a while. So I'll go into detail about that, but that's what this is. This is an intro to a multi-part series about, can the average Joe ceramic coat his car? You know, can you save the money? And I'm gonna go over pricing, everything that's in the box. So let's dive in. Before I hack this box open with my favorite knife, if you could go and hit subscribe for me, dude, it would help me out a ton. I'm trying to hit 1,000 before the end of January, and we're already halfway there, and I'm not even halfway there, and I can't do it without you. I wish I could, but I can't. I need your help. So if you can hit subscribe for me, you're the man, or the female, I don't care, but I do appreciate it. All right, guys, please don't mind my atrocious garage right now. It's bad. It's not the point of this video. The point of this video is what's inside this box. And that's what we're about to find out. I love opening stuff. So much fun. All right, put the knife away and see what we're working with in here. Honestly, when I stabbed through that box at the beginning, I was hoping there wasn't anything on top, and they knew I was gonna do it. They packed it with a bunch of paper. All right, paper. More paper. All right, I don't even know where to start here. I guess paint coating. Here's the main thing. It's not the only thing I got, but this is the Adams paint coating ceramic coat kit, and let's get to that last. I'm actually gonna show you what I got in order of like what I'm gonna do. Actually, let us take it out of the box and just show you one thing at a time. This is Adam. I'll get to it in a little bit. Their new ceramic coating comes with like this. It's like a nano UV light patented something. I don't know. Apparently, the ceramic coat actually shines. Once you put it on, you shine this flashlight on it, and you can tell where you've applied the ceramic coating and where you haven't. I guess you can tell you know, how evenly you're spreading it and everything like that. So I don't know, paid like 10 extra bucks for this. I kind of thought, why not? It might be stupid, not work. It might be incredibly badass and make the whole thing. Who knows? We got the Visco clay. So for the clay barring part, I didn't just get the regular. This is the one with like the handle and you like wrap it around. And apparently, I don't know. I just kind of sent it on this whole thing. And this was the most badass clay bar they had. Apparently it's easier to like grab and like actually do the clay barring part. So Visco clay. Got the polish applicator. Now this is the only thing I'm worried about in this whole project is I'm actually gonna do the polishing by hand. I told you this is about people with no experience, all right, or people. You know, I don't have a machine. I don't want to spend extra $200-300 on a machine. I'm doing it by hand. All right, I'm doing it. We got the detail spray. So this is for the clay bar part. Focus. There we go. This is for the clay barring part. This is one of the first things you're gonna do after you wash it. And this is basically just what you spray the car with, you know, and then use a clay bar on it. We got our one-step polish. See in there? So this is the polish that we're gonna use all over the car. A piece of paper. A sticker, that's kind of cool actually. Adam sticker, that probably won't go on my car, but that will go on my laptop or something like that. And a detail. So I'm actually gonna show you this here in just a second. I wanna show you exactly how much I paid for everything, what I got. They were running a sale, and that's kind of why I pulled the trigger. I didn't really plan on doing this right now. I plan on doing it in general, but I didn't plan on doing it right now. But they were having like a 15% off sale. So, you know, when you're already spending a couple $100, save 30 bucks or whatever. So I'll go over this here in just a second once I get everything out of the box. And you know, I had to throw in the pizza air freshener, because why not? It was like $2 and focus. Okay, camera's being stupid. But you know, $2, the things look dope. I don't know, hopefully it smells good, but this thing will be looking badass, like flying back and forth as I'm just hauling ass. So, so let's go ahead and actually open up this Adams, the ceramic kit on the inside to see what's in there. So first off, looks like we've got our towels. I don't want to open those yet. They look kind of, well, I guess not vacuum sealed, but so that's gonna be, looks like the towel, applicator, all that stuff. Dang, those towels feel fluffy. I don't want to open them because I don't want them to get dirty. I'm gonna leave those in the bag. All right, so we got the ceramic boost. So I think this is for afterwards, and for occasional use, you know, just kind of get the shine up, you know, maybe just kind of supercharge it a little bit, you know. Ceramic boost. I love this packaging from Adams. Everything just looks so dope. Like, I don't know, just cool. We got the surface prep. So this is after you've clay barred and you've polished it. So this is gonna get all the, basically all the chemicals, just get everything off of your car that's not the dirt and stuff, just all the chemicals and everything from prepping it. Basically just take it down to just the paint. So that'll be right before we actually do the ceramic coating. Let's see, a little installation instructions. We'll go over that in a little bit. I might go over that actually in the first part of the next video. I just kind of wanted to show y'all what's going on, what I got, and what my plan is. So this is the actual ceramic coat applicator right here. Nice little block. I don't want that to get dirty either, actually. Okay, we got two applicators. We got, for that, okay. So they actually brought, or gave us these little spray nozzles. So I was kind of curious if that stuff was like how you applied this stuff, if it just kind of dripped, like poured it on the rag, or just kind of like, I don't know, what, that answers my question. Spray nozzles, nice. 2 spray nozzles, even nicer. Gloves. I guess this stuff is not supposed to get on your skin, or maybe it's just so you don't have to clean your hands. I don't know. I will be using those though. And the ceramic coat itself. Paint coating. Small little bottle. You can see my hand. Now they say this should be able to coat 2 entire cars. 2 full-size cars is what they say. I plan on doing 2 coats on my car. I also want to do the windows. I think you can do the windows. It said you can do any surface, so I don't see why not do the windows. And I wanted to do the black trim on the back and the sides. It's kind of hard to see right now. It's dark. Winter sucks. It gets dark so early. But do the black trim on the sides and the back and on the front, like the front splitter. Just they say I know you can do that actually. The windows I'm kind of guessing on. I don't really know, but I know you can do the black trim, and I think that would make it to where you can literally just like power wash them off, and they're back to like shiny and black. Who knows? That's kind of the purpose of this whole thing with this car. So, Adams polished premium ceramic line. So this is like, oh, this is actually a glass bottle. I've never ordered anything from Adams because they are kind of high priced, to be honest. They're a little. Oh my God, I'm an idiot. Don't just set this down. Jesus. Hope that's not a sign of how this is gonna go. Oh God. I'm sure you've heard by now this Texas weather is absolutely insane. Yesterday it was 81 degrees and hot. And look at this. Cold and rainy all day. My plan with the car, I'm trying to get all the aesthetics down. I have a vision for the way I want this car to look, and then I'm gonna start going into performance. And that's the way I'm gonna build this car. So I think the first thing is, like I said, I'm OCD, and it drives me insane when this car is not clean. Which, I mean, right now it's kind of hard because it's winter and stuff, but I want to go into the summer with the ceramic coat on and just, you know, looking good, looking shiny for the summer. And I think this is going to be the first step in making this car look very eye-turning, you know, and popping, is just having the paint looking shiny as fuck all the time. So I think that's going to wrap this video up. It was just to show you what I have. Like I said, this is going to be a multi-part series. Here in about a week, just over a week now, I'll be starting the process. I think it's Friday the 24th. Is when I'm going to be actually starting this that weekend. So this was just to show you what I got, all the supplies, and my basic plan. I will dive deeper into process and all that stuff in the next video. If you made it to the end, man, I do appreciate it. You're the man, and I'll see you in the next one.